Alright, this is a video for 2HT about exercise 55 from chapter 6. This is about a stem and leaf diagram, but also about the words mode, median and mean that I explained in the previous lesson. It says William drives a train in Ashton Court. A round trip is 2.75 kilometers. On a Thursday, William records how many passengers are on the train for each ride. The results are shown in the stem and leaf diagram below. So each of these numbers on this side, they represent a number of passengers that he has. For example, this 3 here means that there are 3 passengers on one of the rides. This 5 here at the bottom means that there are 45 passengers on another ride. Right? So all of these numbers, they say how many passengers there are per ride. Now for question A, we need to calculate the mode, median and mean. So first of all, we'll start with the mode. And the mode means the number that happens most often. Now, so if we look at this this figure here, we can see that 6 passengers happens twice. Right, so that's already quite much. But here we have this 2 here stands for 22 passengers. You see that that also happens a lot. But we see this number most out of everything. This is 45 passengers, right? And we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So the mode is 45 passengers. So I wrote down over here, mode 45. Okay? So they could probably mean that the train has a capacity of 45 passengers. So after that it's full, right? That's why it happened so often. I think that might be the case. Then the median. The median is the middle number. But then first we need to know how many numbers there are. So we're going to count how many numbers we see here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10, 13. Right? So plus 5 is 18. And then we have 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 28 numbers in total. Now 28 divided by 2 is 14. So what we need to do is we need to take a look what the 14th number is, and we need to take a look what the 15th number is, and then take the average of those two numbers. So let's take a look where the 14th number is. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So the 14th number is 30 passengers. The 15th number is 32 passengers. So that means that the median is 31 passengers. So that means that 50% of all of the train rides had more than 31 passengers, and 50% had less than 31 passengers. And now we need to calculate the mean. And the mean is the average. Now I'm going to tell you how this is done, but I'm not going to show you the whole calculation because it just takes so much time. What you need to do is you need to add everything. So 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6. And I'll show you a way to write this down shorter. If you don't want to write down everything, what you need to do is you write down the first 3. So 3 plus, oh sorry, there's actually a 4 and this was a 6. Sorry about that. So you write down 3 plus 4 plus 6 and then plus. Yeah, let me do the 4 better. And then dot, dot, dot. And then you write down the last one, which was 45. So this means that all of the other numbers are also included. So you add all of it, and then you divide it by 28, because there were 28 different train rides. And then you round this off. Okay, so you can say 3 plus 4 plus 6, etc. plus 45. But in your calculator, right, on your calculator, you need to fill in all of these numbers. So 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus 18, etc. And then you divide it by 28, and then you know what the mean is. So that's exercise A. That was calculate the mode, median, and mean. Then we're going to go to exercise B. It says the train consumes 1 liter of fuel for 7 kilometers it rides. How many liters of fuel did the train consume that Thursday? Alright, so the round trip is 2.75 kilometers. Now we established that there were 28 train rides. So what we need to do is we need to do 28, because so many train rides were there, times the length of one of the train rides. So we need to do 28 times 2.75. Let me just type that in real quick. This is 77 kilometers in total. Now the train consumes 1 liter of fuel for every 7 kilometers. So if you do 77 divided by 7, then this day cost us 11 liters of fuel. So this is the answer for exercise 55. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.